So guys, welcome to Daniela's vlog.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What are we going for?
I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in KISORO today, for a few days, and today we're going for ziplining and a boat cruise, or both, or one of them, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm taking you guys with me, so see ya. Guys, the weather is ruining our plans. Ruining it.
Just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
Look. It's gonna rain. Oh, and there are bats outside this hotel. I want to get them, but I can't see them. They're around though. Yeah, so we're waiting in the parking of hotel. Travelers Rest. Yeah, let's hope the rain doesn't ruin the whole afternoon. I hope it just rains like for an hour and then we go. Guys, look at the bats. There are so many. Oh my god. Guys, it's cold. It's cold. I'm freezing. We're going back in the car. Yeah, so it started raining, so we had to head back home and wait for the rain to calm down, and then we'll continue with activities. Okay, so the rain stopped and it's currently 2:56. Yeah, so we are going for ziplining first, then the boat thing after. So see you guys. Yeah. Yes, I can. Guys, look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, it was so peaceful. There was no noise or anything. It was such a peaceful environment. It was so amazing, guys.
Why did you want to go?
Okay. The next gets to long trousers.
So ziplining was the first activity we're going to do. So this is us getting ready for the ziplining.
You can
see the platform is down. When you're coming back, you can use this cable and stand here on this platform. The other cable is a bit higher than this one. So
the starting one.
If you're not safe enough, sometimes it becomes hard to interact with water. But you can try when you're almost reaching the water.
Touch.
Yes.
Ah, very good. Yeah.
This one when you're coming back. When you reach halfway, this one, once you reach in the middle, you try to touch the waist up, then you can interact. Because you'll be a bit.
Okay. Don't hold the rope.
You got it, Auntie.
Yeah, just
hold
hold
there.
that one.
Mommy, no, it's okay.
It's holding you. holding you.
You will. You're a strong woman. You're a strong woman.
Oh, let Miggy first go.
Let her first go. I'm freaking out.
Yeah, imagine if Miguel can make it. Oh, wait, close your eyes and look up and make sure your legs are like.
Yeah. Wait, wait.
What's the name? I think you're going to be touching it.
They might fall in the water.
Yeah.
Yes, mommy. Yay, mommy! Yay!
And then you put your legs up. Put your legs up.
I can't see. Are you sure it's safe?
Legs up. Legs up.
So, are you going to push me?
Should I push you? Let me get a small step. Legs up.
Are you sure it's safe?
Safe. Then legs up. Legs up.
So, are you going to push me?
Should I push you? Let me get a small step.
No way.
Legs up.
Mickey, say hi.
Yeah? Wagwan.
We're going back, guys. I fear I might enter the water. I didn't pack any clothes. Okay, we go and do this. Damn, the light, you can't see them. Anyway, see ya! Guys, I left my shoes the other side because I felt like they were going to get wet. And I was right because my feet kind of touched the water, so. Don't touch up there, touch there. You got this, mommy, you got this. You got this. You did it before, you can do it now. Let's go!
Come on, auntie, come on.
Up. Legs.
You can do it, mommy!
Yes, auntie.
Woo!
Mommy, look here.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Feet straight. Yeah. So I heard it. Yeah.
No way.
Okay. Going the second time. Say hi for my camera. Say hello. Yes, I will.
Okay.
So, are you going to push me?
Yeah, okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Guys, removed our shoes, so we have to walk in the mud. Yo. Wow, too nice had to do it twice, man. Damn. We go at that time, Miguel.
Yeah?
We go again.
Man, for real. Man, this is too fun, guys. Yeah.
Woo! Look at my nails. Hi to my camera.
Yes, hi.
How are you?
Andrew.
Uh-huh.
Lake Mutanda Zipline.
Yeah.
Yes, you're having fun here.
Yes, we are. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So this one you won't need to stretch so high.
Yeah.
You'll be flat on
Man, I'm going to be close to the water. I don't even know what to say right now, guys. If this is my last time, even talking. You on the other side.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, we're going back. I swear I will kill you. Okay, no, I was holding this side. Okay. You're going to push me?
Yes, push.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, so that was the end of the ziplining. It was so fun. I am definitely going back. If you haven't tried ziplining, I highly recommend that you go try it, honestly. And now we were off to the boat for the boat cruise. It was just a walkable distance from the ziplining point because it was all in the same area. And by the way, all these activities are at Lake Mutanda.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Tunes on the track.
Lake Mutanda is a lava-dammed lake. Lake Mutanda was formed by geochemical reactions and radioactivity. It is found in KISORO. KISORO is in Uganda. Uganda is in East Africa. East Africa is in Africa. Africa is in the
Earth.
Yes. So yes, we're going to have the cruise, and Lake Mutanda, I was saying, is a lava dam lake, so it's a deep lake. Yeah, it was formed by volcanicity when the magma, you remember those things? The eruption that came, so the flow of the Rift Valley was blocked. That's how the water ended up accumulating. So this water is fresh. We do not have crocodiles, no hippos. It's fresh for swimming. Bilharzia free. So for those who know how to swim, it is recommended, but it is very deep. Now yes, we have several islands that are on this lake. We have the Punishment Island, we have the Skeleton Island. Some of them are at a distance, but I'm sure as time goes on in the future, they will be able to go and check them out. We have otters on this lake, Otters. Two types of otters, the African giant otters and the spotted neck otters. Yes, we also have then fish on this lake. We have 4 types majorly: the crayfish, mudfish, catfish, and tilapia. Yes, I also want to thank Community for coming back again. He was here in this year and again he has come back and has come back with a better and greater team. Yes. And we have a backdrop of the Virunga Ranges. There are 8 in number. We have 3 in Uganda. Our highest being Mountain Muhabura at 4,127 meters above sea level. The second one is Mountain Mugahinga. That's 3,467 meters. Then the last one is Sabinyo. That is 3,669 meters. Now, each of the mountains has something at the top. So you need to go and hike these mountains. At the top of Muhabura there is a crater lake. At the top of Mountain Mugahinga there is a crater swamp. At the top of Mountain Sabinyo is where 3 countries meet: Uganda, Rwanda, and Congo. You step in Rwanda, touch Congo, another leg is in, that's Sabinyo, on the 3rd peak. On the 3rd peak is where 3 countries meet.
It's Thai tunes on the track.
Guys, we got to see some otters, though you can't see them in the video because they were really hiding. They were really trying their level best not to be seen, but we got to see them and it was so amazing, guys. I really want to go back.
It's Thai tunes on the track.
Okay, so
Have you told these guys where we are?
no, tell them.
We're in Dubai. You
Yeah.
guys should come over, man.
Yeah.
Man, this is a vlog.
Yeah. It is
Mini or what?
long vlog.
Hey. So guys, welcome to Daniela's vlog. I was about to say YouTube channel, but
It is going on the YouTube channel.
hey, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, I hope you guys, man, I hope you have views, man, because this is too good for.
For what?
Man, I can't say it.
Yeah, exactly. So after Lake Mutanda, we went to this place called Chugo. It's where my dad and his siblings used to fetch water from. It was like a stream of water where my dad and his siblings used to fetch water from. So they took us there to visit the place. Anyway, guys, we just reached home. It is currently, hold on, let me check. It's 11:13. I'm tired. We are all tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will be posting another video real soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, see you guys. Mwah. Love you.